रोशनी रोशनी उम्मीद है तामीर दार।
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you all? I'm your teacher, Miss Fareeha. Do you know that what we are learning today? Today we are learning about sky, grass and root letters. The formation of letter is always consist on 4 lines. Sky letter is always start from the first line and it's always stop on third line. Like this, B. And grass letter is always come in the middle line of 2 lines from second line and stop to the third line. Now you can see how to write the root letter. It always start from the second line and stop on the fourth line. Okay students, now tell me what are the sky letters? Now speak with me. B, D, F, H, K, L, T. It's a sky letter. Repeat after me. Very good. B, D, F, H, K, L, T. It's a sky letter. Now, what are the grass letter? A, C, E, I, M, N, O, R, S. U, V, W, X, C. It's a grass letters. Okay, now root letters. G, J, P, Q, Y. It's a root letters. Repeat after me. G, J, P, Q, Y. It's a root letters. Okay, students. It's a 26 letters. Now we can play. What are the sky letter? B and D, F, H, K, L and T. Now grass letters A, C, E, I, M, N, O, R, S, U, V, W, X, Z. Now it's root letters G, J, P, Q, Y. These are the root letters. Fi amanillah.
रोशनी रोशनी उम्मीद है तामीर दार।